My name is Brück. I'm an artist and I live and work in Offenbach and Gießen. And I'm participating in the exhibition And This Is Us 2021 at Frankfurter Kunstverein. And right now we are in my studio. For my project at the Frankfurter Kunstverein, I'm bringing stones from the Technische Rathaus, which used to stand on the place where the Neue Frankfurter Altstadt is right now, to the exhibition room. It's a site-specific work, and I started with a research about the Technische Rathaus and the other buildings that used to stand there. And I talked to the company which deconstructed it almost 10 years ago. And this brought me to a place where they bring these concrete parts. And I went there and I found some parts which are now brought back to the exhibition room. I'm working on personal and collective memory, and I think in this case it's not possible to avoid a discussion about European and German history. In my work there are different movements. For example, the first movement is there's this building like the Technische Rathaus, and it's been deconstructed and moved outside the city. Now I'm going there and bringing it back into the Frankfurter Altstadt, in the exhibition room of Frankfurter Kunstverein. And then people can take small stones from these leftovers and take them home. So this is the third movement. A very important moment in this work is just to show these pieces, to bring them back, because they're kind of lost and forgotten at these fields outside of the city. And in my installation, I'm just putting them into a circle, so they ride up and then down and up again and down again, and it's always repeated. So also with these lamps that are going to be installed that come from an archive, I just want to first of all show these leftovers, show the trash of what comes out in the end of these society movements. I think the way I work is I'm doing a very detailed plan of what I want to do. So in the very beginning there's an idea, and then I do a plan and a schedule, how to build it, how it's going to look like. So in the very beginning of my work there's a lot of sketches, and then in the end there's this one point where it switches off and I start physically working on what I planned. I finished my studies at HFG Offenbach in 2019. And I think this is it's a strange moment, because you leave university and it's a point of decision. You have to say, how am I going to earn money? What's my profession? And I think I made the decision for now I want to be an artist. And I think to have the opportunity to exhibit at the Frankfurter Kunstverein, yeah, it's a signal that I'm somehow on the right way. And